What's up, YouTube? My name is Vic. I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If it's your first time on my channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that kind of stuff, I invite you to watch the video. If you stick around, subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a double unboxing, 2 for 1. I know it's been a while since I last posted a video. I got a lot of catching up to do, so there is a lot more content coming down the pipeline. I have a lot of reviews on deck, but I want to do this unboxing because these are two watches that I've had my eye on for quite some time now. They've actually, both of them have been in my shopping cart on eBay and Amazon, for at least 2 years each, and I never pulled the trigger. They were both a little pricey for what they were. So I guess I was kind of just waiting to see if they came down, and they both did kind of come down. So without further delay, let's do this unboxing. So I got my trusty blade here, and let's open up box number 1. And I know what watches these are, but I don't know which package is which. So we're gonna find out together. So I unbox the first one. White box, white outer box, I should say. Oh, okay, this is the Seiko. Shit. Oh, this packaging took a hit. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, it's heavy too. So check it out, y'all. This is the Seiko Excelsior. I've been having my eyes on this watch, man, for like 2 years. This is a very unique, not unique, but coming from Seiko, this is very different. This isn't what you typically get from Seiko. And it is solar powered, so that's why you don't see it ticking now as I remove the plastic. It is solar powered, so I do got to charge it on the sun. Or I probably have a UV flashlight down here somewhere, but I'm not going to look for it. But yeah. Oh, look. Well, the chronograph is going. Stop. Oh, that's cool how it resets. So I wonder if I can reset if it is ticking. I don't see a moving seconds hand. See what time it is now. It is, shoot, it's 2:38 in the morning. Okay, so I work weird hours, y'all, so that's why I'm filming at this ungodly hour. So alright, so now I have it set. I gotta set the day, obviously. Okay, so there is a moving seconds hand, if you can see it there on the camera. So it is charged. I guess wherever it's sat, it was catching sunlight. But yeah, this is a solar powered watch. It's a chronograph, and I like the styling of it. I don't see Seikos like this. This is coming from them. It's kind of unique. It does feel heavy. It feels very solid, and yeah, I'm really excited about this one. So let's get into the next watch. This is not going to be a full review video on either of these pieces. Those are coming down the pipe. Just want to do an unboxing. So this is the second watch. Second watch right here. Now I know which one this is. I'll share that with you guys. This is actually the first watch I buy from this company. It's a Tissot. I don't own a Tissot, so this is my first. Oh, nice packaging. Okay. Let's put all this stuff to the side. I know this is a little unorganized, y'all, but hey, that's what these unboxings are, you know. I'm giving you guys the real experience. Nothing filtered. Yeah, this is beautiful. Ooh, that strap feels nice. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is the Tissot Visodate. Another watch that I've had my eye on for shoot, man, at least the last couple years. It is a quartz, and it's not ticking. Okay, so that tells me that battery is dead. That's why it's sputtering like that. Luckily for me and most other watch collectors, I have an abundance of batteries and tools upstairs to change that out. But yeah, this watch, typically you'll find it in the between $240 to $260 range, and I actually picked it up for about $175, which is generally more than what I like to pay for a quartz watch. I never really feel that comfortable paying that amount of money for a quartz watch. But I don't know. There was something about the design on this one that I've always liked. You get a nice polished case back. Looks like it's pressed down, so it shouldn't be too difficult to change the battery. Sapphire crystal, stainless steel. Even gives you the movement in the back. That's pretty cool. I can tell you right now off the back, this strap feels really, really nice. It doesn't feel like genuine leather or genuine garbage, what most of these watch bands give you. Even the strap has got a serial number on it. Yeah, this is a nice watch. You know what? Holding it in my hand, I understand why they were going for the price that they were going for. Oh, yeah, this is beautiful. So that's going to be this one, ladies and gents. Just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing, put some content out there. And I do promise I have more stuff coming down the pipeline. So with that said, I will see you on my next one. Peace. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Vic, the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If you like my videos, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I put new content up. Peace.